Audio Jungle.
Once again, Victoria is here with ladies and gentlemen to an interesting video. So, before starting the video, I would request to all of my new viewers, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So, guys, let's start the review now. Welcome to Pack Token pre-sale guide. So I have placed all of the official links of Pack Token in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join this awesome platform, guys. So you have to don't skip any part of the video. I will explain each and everything how you can buy and how you can join this awesome platform. So before starting the video, I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss up to you. So guys, as you can see, PAX token is officially launched on Pink Sale. And here is all of the official links of Twitter, Telegram, Discord, so you can join this platform. PAX is a cutting-edge multi-chain forming portal designed to revolutionize the way users earn yields in the decentralized finance space, guys. So by seamlessly integrating with various blockchain networks, PAX offers a unified platform for depositing and staking token across multiple forms, maximizing yield generation and also provide unparalleled investment opportunity. So guys, here in this platform, you can deposit, you can stack your tokens in across multi forms, and you can get a lot of profits. So here is our official contract address which you have to copy when you are buying PAX token. Token name is PAX token, symbol is PAX PAX, and here decimal is 18 and decimals 18 and total supply is 1 billion, guys. Here you can see their pre-sale start time, their end time soft cap, also their hard cap, how you have to buy. Guys, here you can see that their pre-sale starts in after 5 days, 22 hours, 50 minutes, and 54 seconds. What you have to do, guys, you have to simply connect your wallet. If you are using via MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Ox Wallet, which are you are using wallet, you have to deposit some small and then you can buy PAX token. So here is the official PAX website. Here you can see this is the very native yield refined, and it is a PAX protocol cutting edge native yield platform that guys provide you to access to very cost effective and secure high quality yield opportunities all across the world, guys. So their app will be launched in upcoming some days, so you have to must join this awesome platform. And here you can see that it's a $45 million total. Their value is lock, and here you can get start now. This is our how it's work and its tax features, all of the docs and also their audits. Here you can see our, and this is our guys community. You have to must find our Telegram, Twitter, and also our Discord community, guys. This is our Telegram community. You have to must join. You get all of the upcoming news and information about pax.io. This is our Twitter official account. What you have to do, you have to simply follow this. I am also following this. Here you can see all of the native yield refined about pax token. And here you can get all of the upcoming updation about pax token on their Twitter account, guys. So here is all about PEX. What is the PEX? As I have explained you in start of the video, it is a cutting edge and multi native yield portal design. So this is the very of the big pictures about our users that PEX tracking, PEX portals, partner farming, and there is revenue starting sharing port also. Here you can see, and this is all about what is the features of the packs that you can farm, stake, restaking, and also DEA. Pack pitch text, which is about how it's work, guys. And this is all of the about what is packs. And guys, here you can see our tokenomics too. That is about packs token can cases. also name PAX token, their ticker, and their contract address, also their total supply. That I have also described you in of the start of the video at their own pink cell guys. And here is also there all of the roadmap that is divided into different phases. In phase one, their private testness, partnership collaboration, also their contract audits, and in phase two, they will manage their launch token listing on DEX or CEX, also their liquidity farming protocol launch and restaking protocol and partnership expansion. In phase three, they will staking pool launch and also their community expansion, revenue sharing, and in phase four, also they have include. So here you can see their native yield staking, also about their liquidity farming, and you have all of the about their community security, all of the links, and here you can get all of the information about X guys. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.